Any child would love the Foxprint Princess Castle play tent with glow in the dark stars. It's something that I wish I had when I was a kid, and it's really easy to put together. So let's get into the details of what you can expect. Once you unbox this, the first thing that you'll notice is that this does have a zippered bag that you can carry this around in. So you'll take the tent out and you will take out the poles as well. And these are really self-assembling poles that will attach to each other, and you just move those poles into the designated holes inside the tent to actually put it up and get it ready to go. And once you have that done, this is what it looks like. It's a really solid design, and because it has those stabilizing poles that run through it and through the top of the tent, you're not going to have any issues with this collapsing or moving around at all. It is a wonderfully made tent, and you can also disassemble this just as easy if you need to move this around or put it in storage. You just do the same process that I described backwards, and then you put those rods and the tent itself in the convenient storage and carrying bag. But this is just the perfect place for kids to have magical adventures with their pretend friends or real friends. You can definitely fit two children inside here comfortably. And I mentioned that it's glow in the dark. It has those stars on the outside of it. So once you do turn out the lights, that's when it really glows in the dark. And you can also use this for children to read books and play with their stuffed animals, any toys. It's really great for a playroom, a finished basement, or if you want to set this up in the living room. There's plenty of places to put this. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And by the way, this does come in pink and blue. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.